welcome back to another vlog from the car. I'm really excited that I'm vlogging from the car these days. Anyways, my car is loaded, like I have some lehengas and all of that. I'm gonna meet my friends for lunch, and we kind of want to like do a little bit of cafe hopping once again, because we like food in one place and we like dessert in the other place, so we're kind of trying to do that. But hello, my car is filled. There are lehengas behind this food over here. So basically, I always carry a dabba just in case if I don't like food anywhere. I have a safety net. That's like my safety net. But hello, hi. I'm gonna pick up Akshata. I'm on my way. It'll take another 20 minutes for me, and that's all. Also, I love how this outfit looks on me. It's amazing. This was actually the same outfit that I wore in Sweden, but I changed the overshirt. There I wore like a typical like a blazer, but here you can't wear blazers because it's so hot here in Hyderabad. So I just wore like, this is Lalit's t-shirt. Sorry, this is Lalit's shirt. What am I doing? T-shirt. And yeah, see, sometimes you should always take your husband's clothes. You can like style it in a different way. Anyways, yeah, I did not put any jewelry. Anyways, yeah, it's been ages, you know. Yesterday, I think a couple of days ago, Lalit and I were just talking. Like, both Lalit and I have not been to any cafe or any restaurant in months. Like, we're ordering food, but we've not been out in months. So we've decided that next week, no matter what happens, we're gonna go on a date. I'm excited. I don't think I am in the capacity to do a date night because I fall asleep very, very early. Like, if there is no work, I fall asleep at 9 o'clock also. So for me, date night is not appropriate timing. But anyways, yeah, hello. How are you guys doing? How is everything going on? If you like this kind of videos now, you guys, let me know in the let me know in the comment section down below what kind of videos you want me to show. Like, this is basically what I do on my day-to-day basis, and that is what I'm showing you. And yeah, I'm excited. Really, after days I'm meeting one of my friends. Is coming after, I think I'm meeting him after like 4 years. I met him during my wedding, and after that I'm meeting him now. But yeah, anyways, that's that. Let's go. I literally, whenever I carry boxes in the car, if I'm driving, I kind of like to eat during the signals. So I'm meeting them for lunch. I kind of eat it. I eat in the house and I go out. It's just a habit my mom has put in our minds, and that's literally what we do. Hello. Hi. అది నేను ముందు కిస్ ముడుచుడానికి కిసుకో ఊరికి నాకు అలవాటు. అక్స ఒక్కసారి ముఖం చూసుకో అక్కడ ఎట్లున్నావు మరి ఎట్లా వచ్చినావు అక్స అట్లా.
Now see the transformation.
అప్పుడెప్పుడో వచ్చాడు నా వీడియోలో. బండి మీద వచ్చాడే.
మరేం చేస్తాను,
నేను ఆటోలో వచ్చాడేమో, క్యాబ్లో వచ్చాడేమో అనుకున్నాను నేను. హలో, you're in my vlog. నా vlogలో ఉన్నాను.
Thought I met you at the wrong time. Then you caught me on that one night. Girl, I wanna know how this thing get out of my control. Zip line into your timeline. Hey, that body don't lie. I didn't care for the hype, yeah. But when I saw you tonight, ooh, girl, you know what you doing. I'll go 1,000 miles to show you that I'm right for your love. Hey, keep breaking necks when you passing them by. Make sure they know that.
Okay, hi. Hi. బా, ఎంత నార్మల్ హాక్సం.
హాంగ్ చేసుకో.
బా, ఒకసారి నీళ్ళు కారు నడుపున హాంగ్ చేయాలి నాకు తెలియదు. అందుకే అంకుల్ ఏం చేస్తున్నావు?
ఇట్లా రెండు వైపులు పెడితే
అదే అసలు వెళ్ళారే నాకు అర్థమే కాదు.
అక్కడ నుంచి పోయి
No, this is Toyota welfare. You know how much the dabba carries?
25
80 lakhs.
80?
80.
My God, what is it?
Welfare.
Toyota welfare.
Kia
Huh?
Carnival is cheaper, no?
Kia Carnival is cheaper. This Dabba car is 80
80
lakhs.
ఏంట్రా
80 లక్షలు.
80 ఏంటి?
అంటే ఏమన్నా
Why would I know the car weight? ఏం కాదు వాడు చేస్తాడు. మీరు ద మోస్ట్ షాపింగ్ ఆడుస్తాం నీతో ఉండి నేను నాకు అట్లీస్ట్ ఇది నీకు అట్లీస్ట్ పెళ్ళి ఉంది బాబు. మీరు లిల్ మోర్ షాపింగ్ హియర్ ఇన్ హ్యాబిట్స్. Now we're going back.
Tonight, and I will let you make up your mind, but I can't wait. Where you coming over? Let me be your chauffeur, baby. I will keep on calling you love till you do the same. Let me take it over, drive it like a chauffeur, like a chauffeur.